Hi dear friends, we have already seen some part of critical appreciation of the drama Nagamandala. In the Nagamandala, there are three characters. One is Appanna, second is Rani, and third one is that Naga, that is Cobra. There are some minor characters also, Kurodava and her son. We are seeing some critical appreciation of the drama, which helps us in understanding the drama in a critical way. When Rani becomes pregnant, obviously it is the matter of anger for Appanna. In my previous video, we have seen that the cobra frequently visit the Rani's house at night, as disguised in Appanna. As he has the power to convert itself into human being. And he is able to disguise of anybody else. As that cobra loves Rani, the cobra disguised as Appanna and used to visit at night to Rani's house. We have also learned that Rani is completely unaware about Cobra's appearance in her life. She misunderstood Appanna and the Cobra, and she asked the question to Appanna also that his behavior in daytime and night is different. Rani becomes pregnant. Appanna thinks that Appanna is not responsible for that, because since from many days he is not with Rani. So his suspect is right at its place. And that's why he became angry and calls her harlot, a prostitute. But when she says that the child is his and she has done nothing wrong, then Appanna decided to take the issue to the panchayat. You might have learned many times that there were panchayat in villages, and 4 to 5 members are there of the panchayat. Old members are there, old senior citizens are there as a member of panchayat in the village, and they used to solve these problems, such problems or any problem of the particular village at its own. So Appanna decided to take the issue to the panchayat so that it can be solved and justice can be taken on the issue. So she is taken to the village panchayat, where she must undergo a chastity test in order to prove her innocence. If the matter is there in the panchayat you have to prove yourself with the evidences. If you are unable to prove yourself with the evidences, you will be liable to punish for wrong deeds if it is proved that you did a wrong thing, and if your work or if your that deed is proved properly, then you will be punished. So here Rani has to prove herself, and she must go undergo a chastity test to prove herself or prove her innocence. She is saying that the child in her womb is of Apanna. She has not done anything wrong. So she has to prove now. Nobody brings forth a question of Apanna being questioned for his misdeeds, which again shows the two-faced notion of patriarchal justice that the panchayat was going to employ. Girish Karnad has shown here two different phases of contemporary society. We have learned that Appanna is visiting his mistress elsewhere every day. But nobody is there to ask him why are you doing such things? If you are married and your wife is there in your house, why are you doing so illegal and illegitimate things? Why are you not loyal to your wife, that is Rani? Nobody dares to ask such questions to Apanda. But the same society is asking questions to the Rani, a woman. The Rani means the character is not only represents the particular character, but Rani is the representative of contemporary woman's social situation. Girish Karnad tries to bring forth the double-natured treatment to men and women at the same time. This is two-faced notion of patriarchal justice that the panchayat was going to employ. The issue of her pregnancy is immediately taken to the panchayat, but nobody is asking about Appanna's illegal deeds. The law is same to everybody, we learned. But the situation is not so in the contemporary society, contemporary Indian specifically society. Her test consists of her having to put her hand in a snake pit. What is the test organized for her to prove her innocence? To put her hand in snake pit, and if she deemed pure, the snake would not bite her, and if guilty of adultery, she would be poisoned by the very snake. This is a horrible test organized by the panchayat to prove her innocence. People knew where the snake lived. She has to put her hand into snake's pit where the cobra is living. And if she is pure, cobra will not bite her. And if she is impure, cobra will bite her and the poison will affect on her body. Ultimately, she will die. So this is a horrible test organized by the panchayat, and she is ready to face the test. No such test is organized for men in the society. Once again, there is a double natured, a dual faced society is there. No such test is imposed on Appanna because he is doing wrong deeds, having illegal relations to another lady. He used to go there and live there in another lady's house. But there is no punishment for Appanna, but there is a punishment for Rani only because Appanna suspects that she is a prostitute and she is not good natured woman and she is not able to live with Appanna. Here, Girish Karna tries to explore cultural, traditional, and some justice related issues which are not proper one very effectively in this drama. What exactly happened we will see in my next video. Till then, thank you.